Hi friends. So this is the sort of trade setup for today. Now, what are cues looking like? Now, how I've written is globally again, this should be a slightly negative because why it should be negative primarily because the Asian markets are trading sideways. Dow futures are down 0.2%. European futures are down 0.2%. So now, what that brings for us is that trading should be very cautious. We anyways actually were seeing long liquidation the bank nifty. A lot of banks from SBI again to Syndicate Bank to again a bit of Kotak, a bit of HDFC. Budget is also coming, so there is some long liquidation which is happening, but it's a macro heavy day. A lot of manufacturing PMI data is going to come out. There is a ECB European Bank press conference, so based on that, it's going to be a very cautious sideways day. And since we have closed around 200 day main, there is no reason why actually we should be venturing out on an aggressive bull note here. Primarily again, it's a day of caution here. On the other side again, on the future side, no major commitment both in Nifty and the Bank Nifty futures. But when I look at options, there are long calls which are being added. So that give me some comfort that perhaps bulls are not at present, or traders are not prepared at present for any sort of major correction. The range remains same, almost 10,800 to 11,000. Now, if we start trading below 10,810, then I think we should be bracing ourselves for a 60 to 80 point cut, intraday cut in the Nifty here. So I think 10,810, that is what I think you should be eyeing for if you want to create a short position. If you want to create a long position, then maybe you should wait slightly. I think just wait again how the European markets or European futures are panning out. If they start giving you a recovery positive trend, then you can look for 10,880 to 910, 880 to 910 area again. But look for the European futures for that queue. Don't look at the domestic queues for that. From the context of how the other queues looking like, so I have explained FNO again, where actually long calls have been added in terms of the higher strike prices. FIs again, those have largely they've written at the higher levels. So again, that's how FIs actually done. So mild negative from FI front. Metals good rally again. So metal stocks again, it's looking good because there is a good rally in the base metals, zinc and copper both here. Oil prices, decline oil prices, that actually usually is a sentiment positive for oil marketing companies, but 2% or 1.5%, and then you're going to hit a very stiff resistance across HPCL, BPCL. So you can just be cautious in what actually you want to do there. Bond yields are largely negative again. There was sort of rise in the US bond yields again, so Indian bond yields should be doing the same here. Currency could be under pressure because the Asian currencies are facing a mild pressure. So again, look out for that. So a negative or a fall in the Indian rupee is expected. A slight mild uptick in Indian bonds are expected. A mild downtick in the opening for Indian markets. Nifty is expected, and then also expect some sort of positivity for the OMCs here. So that's the setup again looking like. From the point of levels, I think I've explained you 10,830 is the 200 DMA. Watch for that. Below 810, you create a short position here. On the Bank Nifty side, again, what should be important here is that in terms of levels, 27,320 was important. You go for 27,140. If the Bank Nifty again starts giving you that trend, then there could be a 100-point intraday fall for the Bank Nifty. So again, 320. Below that, you have good sort of momentum for short position. From there, let's also talk about how actually our other queues looking like. So when I look at results, United Spirits very weak results. So again, expect some short positions there. So USL, United Spirits again should be seeing some short build up, some good weak trade. Pidilite again has missed the estimates again. If I look at the result again, other expense, there was a huge jump, and that actually tells me there could be a short momentum building up there. From there, Tejas Networks, it's a mid-cap stock again, some weak results reported by the company. So again, tax refunds are also actually not making it look anyway better here. Another one, Syntex Plastics, weak results. So that stock should also be seeing some correction here. The results were weak primarily. There was a jump in employee expense. I'm just looking at my data again. Employee expense actually was very high again, and that basically led to a sort of decline in the profitability. So Tejas weak, Syntex Plastic weak, United Spirits weak, Pidilite weak. All of these results actually were weak. Bharti Infratel actually was a beat on estimates, but when I take away the one-time exit fee coming from Vodafone Idea, and then when I look at the results, there was good cost control, but there is a sharp decline in tenancy ratio. That tells you next quarter also there is going to be a tenancy exit, so margins are declining here. So outlook is looking slightly weaker. So okay, we can celebrate for this moment. Yes, the results were a beat, but there is no actually point again why long-term investors should actually jump into the stock. There's only a sort of a deal trigger which is left at present in the stock. From there, Digvijay Cement extremely weak results. So this stock actually is going to tank today because there is a loss reported by the company here. Thirumalai Chemicals very weak results. When you look at the results again, the profits, the margins again, those actually were not painting good picture. So again, stock could be actually seeing some correction. Tanla Solutions, the first one I'm talking about in a positive light here. Tanla Solutions, very good results, good operating profit, good revenue growth, and again good net profit growth here. So again, Tanla Solutions was actually a good result here. Indigo, weak results again. If I remove the forex loss, forex sort of gains, and if I remove the other income effect here, results are not giving any sort of confidence here. Yes, you can celebrate about it. Maybe it has beaten some estimates, missed some estimates, but at 40% plus market share, you don't expect the company again to actually just keep you on a dicey note of what it is going to do here. So I think perhaps for long-term investors, I think they should be thinking really hard why aviation stock should be chosen here. And lastly, again, from a sort of momentum perspective, F&O perspective, which stocks actually are giving indications? State Bank of India, short build-up happened there. Then you have Syndicate Bank, again, short build-up happened there. Then Pidilite, there was a short build-up. Granules actually saw a long build-up, and this was our investor group, investor observation also. Remember that again. So again, the Granules is also long build-up there. Dixon Tech was seeing long accumulation. So Dixon and Granules were long. United Spirits, Syndicate Bank, SBI, and Pidilite, these all actually were seeing short build-up. So those are all the cues for you, and that's all in terms of trade setup. Thank you so much for watching me.